Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this mockup effect in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already opened a new Canva, new project. So I need to go to the elements, scrolling down to the mockups and searching for cans. We have 6 different cans. Now I will use this just for fun. And just increase a bit. Here there is a really important information. Best fit 2066 by 991 pixels. So I'm just going to the home page of the Canva, custom size 266, 2066, 991, 2066, 991. So, and the unit is pixels. Create new design, and we immediately have the size what perfectly fit on that mockup. So now we start to design what we want. So I just first I need some good background, or maybe we can add some image, but at the moment I don't want to add an image. So now I just need an orange like this. I will add to here. And searching for orange juice. Photos, just need some nice photo. Might be this one. No, this is not good, I think. Yeah, this looks good. Removing the background. But it's smaller, and actually I just create something easily, so this will be not a perfect for a proper can. I just wanted to show how we can create, and now I just have to add some text like orange. Like this. We need some better fonts. Just try to find something. This one is not nice. Lazy dog. Yeah, keep it like this. Orange. That's more or less good. So I need one more. Fresh orange juice. That will move it under the orange like this. And this one also need to change a bit to more fun. But for this I think I will use one of my favorite, this Gagarin. I love this font actually. Like this. Of course we can add, the other text somewhere to here, or add also barcode and properly labeling, but now I just wanted to show you how it works properly. So I just need to save and always move into the best size, the highest size, because in this case you can see these images already increase the pixel size from 266-911 to with the same ratio, so that's still perfectly fit on the mockup, but the quality will be better. So we just need to download it. Now I downloaded properly, so I go into the second page, adding the image, yes, and just drop into the mockup. Of course, we have to keep in mind lots of things, and just changing the background also to something orange. Of course, we have to keep in mind this size what was mentioned. This is for a whole can, so we have to think about maybe to resize or moving something to the bit other side, or so if I double click on it, I can move it or move it back, move it forward. You can see that okay, now it's too much, so you can move it back. So actually still not. Now it's good. We need to think about to create of actually those parts, so the middle part of the somewhere here, the middle part of the mockup, the most important part, because in this case will be a bit compressed like this, and just moving a bit more to the up, and this one also. So if I download this one again, and wait until this will be downloaded. Yeah, it's already downloaded. So detach image, so I can remove the image and upload the new one and use the mockup again. So I'm moving to the mockup. As you can see, it's already way better, but also keep in mind this is just a top, so this one has to be maybe empty, or just put some additional text to here. So this top, the text and options orange, has to be somewhere here, but we can move it a bit further down the image. So so if we would to create some really nice one, we have to do it. Have to try several times. In this case, we know that at least these images has to be here. So I have to move it a bit further down, maybe with smaller text. So we can play around as just moving this, and just moving down to here. And this one, I just make it like this. Moving a bit more down, and this one might be even outside like this. And I just download it again and just curious, is it good enough to move this text down, or we need more? Of course, that's not that important on this video, because I just wanted to show you how to do it, how to use it. But in the end, so just double click on it, detach image again, and downloading the new image, just drag and drop into the mockup, and wait until this system doing it. Is still not good. Still not perfect. As you can see, it's already in a good position almost, but still we need to move it further down. Actually, we can do it. And this one is, no, this one a bit like to here and like this. So download again. Now do not care about the size, just save it fast as possible. So double click on the mockup, detach and move inside. I think that was not good. Yeah, I think that yeah, I moved again the previous one, not the last one. As you can see now, already we hitting the edge of the can, so that's already maybe some millimeters we can still moving down a couple of pixels, but now I don't want to waste any time on it. But this is how we can create our own design with any cans in a Canva. And also, as I mentioned, keep in mind, download the images best quality as possible. In this case, you have really the best image, the best quality image attached to the can. And also you can play with this when you upload one at the first image and you see that something is not so good and you would like to change something. Try to follow the same method. Just see, okay, I have to move it everything to the center a bit, then moving down, moving up, until you have the image or the project what you really want to see. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all to feed the algorithm, and second of all, if you have any question or struggling anything in a Canva, just let me know and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of the video where you can find links for my TikTok, Instagram and Facebook pages where you can find another great tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts listed in my Facebook page. And of course, in Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find short tutorials about Canva. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.